Global work relies on three essentials. Devices. Devices that need to be sourced, configured, shipped, tracked, and recovered. Software. Applications, access, and identity that must be provisioned securely from day one. And support. The issues, updates, and repairs that come up across the full device lifecycle. But when managed in separate systems, complexity builds. Devices ship without apps, access is forgotten, security varies, and support is purely reactive. Deel IT changes this by unifying everything into one automated platform. Now, a device order triggers setup automatically. Applications, identity, and security policies are provisioned instantly by role. The boundaries disappear. For IT, you get total visibility and control over the full lifecycle, from sourcing to recovery. For HR, onboarding is seamless. Devices arrive ready to work. And support is built in, not bolted on. With 24/7 global tech support, issues are resolved faster because we see the full device and user context. Devices, software, and support working as one. This is global IT simplified.